Hi class, today we're going to review how to solve multi-step equations. So let's read these directions. Directions: solve for x. In number 1, our equation says 3x minus 6 equals 4x plus 2. The first thing I want to do is move all the x's to one side. I see that there is a 3x here. It's positive, so I'm going to subtract 3x on both sides. I now have negative 6 equals 4x minus 3x is negative 1x. Now I see that x is multiplied by negative 1 and added 2. I'm going to subtract 2 on both sides, and then I have negative 1x on the right, and negative 6 minus 2 is negative 8. At this point, there is only one more thing happening to x. It is multiplied by negative 1. So we are going to divide by negative 1 on both sides, and we have x on the right. Negative 8 divided by negative 1 is positive 8. Our solution is x equals 8. All right, let's now take a look at number 2. In number 2, we have the equation 6x minus 1 equals 5x minus 3. Again, I want to move all my x's to one side. There is a 6x and a 5x, so I need to get rid of one of them. It doesn't matter which one. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the 5x by subtracting 5x on both sides. On the right side, all I have left is negative 3. On the left side, 6 minus 5x is 1x, and then I'm going to bring down the minus 1. I have x minus 1 equals negative 3. On the left side, I see x is still subtracted 1. To undo subtracting by 1, we are going to add 1 on both sides. And we have x equals negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. Our solution is x equals negative 2. Okay, let's jump around. I'm also going to go ahead and do number 6 as well. For number 6, we have the equation 2x plus 8 equals 3 minus 3x. Now, when I look at this equation, I see there is 2x on the left and minus 3x on the right. Since we want to move all the x's to one side, we're going to undo one of them. Because this is a minus 3x, I am going to add 3x on both sides. 2x plus 3x is 5x. Next, we see x still has 5 multiplying it and 8 added. So we are going to subtract 8 on both sides. We have 5x equals 3 minus 8 is negative 5. We have x multiplied by 5, so we can divide by 5 on both sides, and we have x equals negative 5 divided by 5 is negative 1. So our solution is x equals negative 1. Now, I want to show you that there is another method to do this problem and still get the same answer. In this problem, we had added 3x on both sides. So what if, instead of adding 3x on both sides, I get rid of this 2x by subtracting 2x on both sides? If we do that, then the 2x goes away, and then I have 8 equals 3. Negative 3 minus 2 is negative 5. So now we have 8 equals 3 minus 5x. We have a positive 3 here. So to get rid of that positive 3, we are going to subtract 3 from both sides. 8 minus 3 is 5, and then we bring down the negative 5x. We have one more thing happening to x here. It is multiplied by negative 5. So we are going to divide by negative 5 on both sides. And we also get x equals 5 divided by negative 5 is negative 1. So both answers are negative 1, so both methods work. You only need to choose one method. You do not need to do both. I just want to show you that you can start with a different first step and get the same answer.